This is so much nicer at night, girl.
Yeah, the lights.
It's like mini Vegas. Welcome to JojoTV.
This is my work, my life, my book. This is my destiny. This is my destiny.
Hi guys, welcome to the video. If you're new to me, my name is Jojo. I am a Boston-based flight attendant at one of the major airlines in the United States. Today, I am taking you to another flight attendant layover vlog. That's right. Today, we are here at St. Louis, Missouri. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is my very, very first time here in Missouri. So we're going to explore a little bit. I don't know, again, where we're going. Today, I'm going to be hanging out with a couple of my colleagues. And I don't know where we're going, to be honest with you. But first stop, we're going to go down to the gym. They have a gym here. Hopefully, it's nice. I'm going to take you guys with me. That's the first thing I'm gonna do after I do a little bit of a hotel room tour. Speaking of that, let's do it right now. Let me start from the door, just like what I always do. All right, as soon as you get into the door, this is what you see. And I kind of just put my stuff there in front of this closet. So the closet has just my cardigan right there. And my shoes. All right, now let's, oh, 2 beds. Look at that, you guys. Let's go to the bathroom first. Hello. So we got this small little sink area here. And what products they use? In the Zone, in the Zone. I don't know what brand is that, but it looks like they're using different products there. And this is the full bath right here. We got a really nice bathtub, towel rack, nice shower head. Simple, and you know, you can hold on to that one if you need to. And this door makes a lot of sound. Look at that. Anyways, that's nice lights right there, right in front of the mirror. So it's a pretty big bathroom, you guys, and nice big mirror in the door that squeaks. Let's just close this, but let's turn the lights off here. I turned this on for you guys so you can see it. All right, now we're moving on to the main room right here. 2 beds, you guys. Look how nice. Look at that wall. It was so plain and really simple. And when I turned the lights on, it just all of a sudden for me, it just like became like fancy, you know? Look how pretty. It's like amazing. I really love it. Let me see if it's actually a real concrete. It looks like concrete. It is concrete. Yeah, it's not a wallpaper you got. No, I think it's wallpaper. It is a wallpaper. It is a wallpaper. Wow, that is really nice wallpaper. But anyways, that's the full bed right here, the full bedroom. And I have a TV that I really rarely use. There's a really nice fridge here. Put all my food in there already. I don't know what this is. Okay. There's a coffee maker. This thing came like this. They probably forgot to like unpack it, or maybe they do it for I don't know how they do that, but it came like that. And I have a little desk here. I like that there's a little couch here also nearby the window. Look at that window. Huge window. Let's see what's out there. There you go. That's the view, you guys. Oh, look at that. We got St. Louis America Center right there. Cool. I'll probably go for a walk before I meet with my colleagues because I don't know where we're going. So I want to make sure I can explore a little bit here because this is my first time here in St. Louis. All right, we'll probably go there later. It's Sunday today, so I'm sure they're closed. But look at this. Can you appreciate this nice lamp right there? Isn't that pretty? I really like it. I like simple stuff, but you know, there's a nice purpose to it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so this is the whole room. I'm gonna go right here near the lamp. This is the view from that big lamp right here. Boom. And boom. There you go. That is our hotel room tour, you guys. Hope that you like a little bit of that tour that I gave you. And now I'm gonna go change and we are gonna go to the gym. Let's do it. I am all ready, you guys. I am just about to go to the gym and I saw on Google Map, you know, I check what's around me and I saw National Blues Museum. So I think I'm gonna go there first and then meet with my colleagues at 6 o'clock because this museum is gonna close at 5 o'clock and it is 3:55 p.m. right now, so it's almost 4 o'clock. I'm gonna go to the museum. It's only about 5-minute walk from here. So I'm gonna do that because I've never been to the National Blues Museum. This is my first time here in St. Louis, Missouri. So I think I'm gonna do that because the gym closed tonight at 12 p.m. So I can do the gym later. So I'm gonna kind of reverse it. I didn't want to waste, you know, this 1 hour that I get the chance to see this National Blues Museum. So let's do that right now. Let's go. All right, you guys, we are outside. It's literally a couple of blocks away from my hotel. So this is awesome. It's around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, you guys. It's hot outside. So I'm kind of overdressed. That's where I'm going, you guys. I hope it's still open. Oh, let's go. All right, you guys, I just got my ticket, so I have an hour and I'm so excited. I'm just gonna go take a video for you guys and we're all just gonna see this together, all right? So I'll see you when I finish looking at everything. It's only one floor, so it's gonna be awesome. I love it already, I'm so excited. National Blues Museum, you guys. That was such a lot of fun. I had so much fun. All right, you guys, I got to change a little bit. I think my colleague is gonna knock right now. She's right here. I gotta go. Bye. Wow, that looks so good. That's spicy tuna poke. Looks great. Oh, look at that. This is pretty. I didn't realize there's a bar here too. Say hello. Oh, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Oh my God, you can see the stadium. Oh my goodness. You can see the stadium here. Oh my. Okay, that's beautiful. This is pretty. This is so much nicer at night, girl. It's like mini Vegas. I am back, you guys. I had such a great time with my colleague. So I ended up bringing some of my leftover, the crispy pork ribs is what I had. And I think she had the tuna poke and then the beef skewers, something like that. I tried her food as well, and it's so good, you guys. Oh my God, I definitely highly recommend that place. It's called 360. And I think it's called 360 because when you go outside the patio, you can actually see 360, which makes sense. So I'm definitely gonna go back there when I come back here in St. Louis, Missouri. But anyways, that's pretty much the end of this vlog, you guys. That was such a great layover, and of course I don't have any more time to go to the gym as usual. I'm probably just gonna end up working out at home tomorrow. I get home pretty decent time, so I've been working out with Papa. I don't know if I've told you, Papa is my husband. He called me Mama, I called him Papa. And we've been working out together for quite a while now, and we have like this gym setup in his office, and we've been really enjoying it. So I think I'm just gonna work out with him tomorrow. I seriously don't regret not working out today in exchange to walking to the museum, I forgot the name, the Blues Museum something. But anyways, and also going with my colleagues. So that's totally awesome. And yeah, I had such a great time. And thank you again for joining me for this beautiful flight attendant layover vlog. If you're still here and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to share this video with someone you love. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. JojoTV. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat po. Mwah.
You know that life's a magic circle, and it's my turn for a ride. I'm dusting out this bubble, and I'm flying on the side. You can sit down with your trouble, but for me it's plain to see. This is my look, my life.